Good afternoon. The farmers of Boyacá had to the potato on the road. Due to lack the buyers, the Boyacá vendors were forced to sell the product on the edge of for the airways. It has good prices, but not of the magnitude wow. Says Luis Alejandro Jimenez, a farmer from the region. Other farmer, a farmer that since September West and oversupply, and the other factor is the during too, the import of pickled potato, there which a very strong drop in the prices. The love of the potato that is set cash 50 to pesos and now is above 8 to pesos, and that if compared at the edge with the cash of production which in the past have received record to the national government, when according to Ms. Alejandro will be one of the sessions of implementation of the idea for marketing this November from solution for our farmers. I inform Aricela Ledesma, Sen de Busconian Cesar. Thank you.